Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video presented by your mentor Vivek. We are doing PHP refresher and let's get the ball rolling. Where does WorkshopHub's data come from? Not just variables you type, variables that arrive via a form, a session, a cookie, or straight from the URL. Today, get reading URL parameters, plus the conditions and defaults that keep missing data from crashing the page. Add a question mark to the URL and you're sending data. Question mark class equals watercolor, completely dynamic. To read it, PHP hands you a superglobal $_get square brackets, the parameter name, done. Echo it and the page prints whatever the URL says. Change the URL to pottery. The page says pottery. Zero code changes. That's the magic of superglobals. Now let's cover multi-parameters and the trap. Okay. Chain more parameters with an ampersand. Class equals watercolor and seats equals 2. Assign them to normal variables at the top and every string below updates automatically. Same interpolation we already know. But be careful. Strip the parameters of the URL and PHP complains. Undefined variable. Real users will open the page without parameters. We need armor. Now let's cover conditions, if else, and few gotchas. Okay. First, conditions. If the quintessential conditional in every programming language. Anyway, so if the seats requested are greater than or equal to 10, print an H3. Group booking. Call the studio. Otherwise, which is the else block, sets seats available. Greater, less, equal, not equal. All the comparison operator works here. Want inline style in that echo? Watch the quotes. The string uses double quotes, so the attribute must use single quotes, or PHP fails. And honestly, the proper way is a CSS class with the HTML outside the echo. This is just the basics. Now let's study about isset and defaults. Okay. Now the armor is set. If isset says the class parameter exists, use it. Else assign a default. Open Studio. Same for seats. Exists. Use it. Otherwise default to 1. Mind the parenthesis. Isset is a function. Refresh with a bare URL. No errors. The defaults kick in. Add parameters and they take over. That's a page that can't be crashed by a missing query string. So $_get reads the URL, conditions branch on the value, and isset plus defaults make it bulletproof. Up next, PHP and MVC and the larval direction, where WorkshopHub's backend gets its real structure. So let's move on to the next unit. Until then, peace out.